Yeah, hi, so this is my channel. I'm a very huge fan of Hollywood. And one of my favorite films is The Misfits. Now I got this book today. It has something to do with The Misfits. I'm not sure if it's totally about The Misfits. So we're gonna unbox it. In this channel I will be showing a lot of old Hollywood. Books, movies, magazines, memorabilia. In the background I got the Misfits, some scenes. I have a lot of Misfits items. MIMOSA, the memories of Misfits and the making of the Misfits. Marilyn and the making of the Misfits. It's a cheap book, $15. I don't even know. I don't know if it has a lot of photos, but it has some. Not a whole lot. But I'm gonna get this a read anyway. So check this out on Amazon. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Yeah, feel my Marilyn Monroe books on the Misfits. It's also my favorite Marilyn Monroe film. I've been collecting Marilyn Monroe since 1982. I've been a fan since the late 70s. So I hope you come back to my channel. Thank you. So it's cool that Ralph Roberts finally wrote his account of his meetings with Marilyn Monroe in MIMOSA, Memories of Marilyn and the Making of the Misfits. I got this book yesterday through Amazon. It was only $15. In the background you hear the Misfits, the making of the Misfits. I have it on the computer, but I have it on DVD as well.
It was full of people who had come to get divorces or to escape.
It's my favorite Marilyn Monroe movie.
In a way, they were free people, but they were free in the sense.
Ralph was the person who was sure of Marilyn during the filming of the Misfits.
In 1956,
and he met her in the 50s.
He would then be free to pursue his
and became a close friend.
with Marilyn Monroe.
This should be a good read. I've been a Marilyn Monroe fan since the late 70s, a collector since 82. So, we'll see. And I hope you Marilyn Monroe fans pick this book up.
If she fits one of the characters.